have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings.
Well, I've been forced to come shopping. Annalise needs some hair colory head syrup thing. So that's what we're doing. Come to the city, do a bit of shopping.
I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6.
Well, I can't say shopping's my favourite thing to do. Find it a bit of a waste of time really, but needs must. Okay, so while Annalise is busy shopping, I thought I'd just come here, cool time lapse spot. You know, this is not my favourite city or anything, you know, far from it, but I think after a while I've been in the country, I do miss this city. I never thought I would really, but there's just that little buzz about the city, you know, the life in it that I think is nice to just revisit now and again.
I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say.
I have no idea, but I was beeping along. Bit of excitement on a Saturday.
No idea what that's about. Okay, today's the day, finally. I've got time to get rid of this. All the stuff that we've been pulling out of the house. I know it's been ages, just not time. Busy man, I'm a daily vlogger. Anyway, one trailer's loaded. I'm gonna take that. Hopefully we'll get a couple in before it shuts. It's only open kind of like a few hours a week, so take this trailer, take this, get away, and then I can fill that space with even more mess. So what would have been a really good idea of me is if instead of just loading up the trailer not connected to the van, is load the trailer up connected to the van, then I could have just driven off. Now I've got to move a heavy trailer. You'd think I'd have all this renovation stuff down to a fine art by now, wouldn't you? Something does not feel right with this van. That'll be it. That is not good. Ah, that'll be the culprit. Right. Well, it's only like a minute away from home, so hopefully that'll be alright to drive back on. I can put some air in it. That's annoying. Put the spare on, I guess. I'm hoping just for now, so I can finish getting rid of this rubbish, I can just puff a bit of air into it and it'll stay up long enough. I'd be more angry, but I'm pretty sure it's probably a screw that I've left lying around, so serves me right, doesn't it? I just rushed home, fixed the tyre, loaded the trailer to get back, loaded the trailer right up, and as I got there, the bin's too full. I was literally there with the trailer, small trailer. Oh! Well, I try my best to clear up, but still left with all that. That's got to sit there now till Wednesday. Today has just not been my day. I was made to go shopping, flat tyre, didn't get rid of the rubbish. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully a better day. Do I end with a hand over the camera situation or the nice drone shot? Not really.